We are now producing an industrial display product that was first manufactured 10 years ago, but the original drawings are no longer available because the supplier has changed. We need to copy the dimensions of the case for this product. Traditional methods can also be used for this, but we found a supplier who made a mistake and got the dimensions wrong. Now, we are using a 3D scanner to copy the dimensions, as it is fast and precise. Our traditional manual measurement involves using calipers, height gauges, and tape measures to operate, and we measure related dimensions manually. When we measure manually, our reference points will change every time.